Meaning of dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate refers to a type of chocolate made from cocoa solids, sugar, and very little or no milk. Compared to milk chocolate, it has a stronger, more bitter taste due to the higher proportion of cocoa solids. Dark chocolate is also believed to have many health benefits, as it contains more antioxidants and less sugar than milk chocolate. Consuming dark chocolate in moderation may help improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of certain diseases. However, it should still be consumed in moderation due to its high calorie and fat content.